Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka Morning Star College, kabaran hakasnong laujun reo nong thama shilong. Henne kasngi ka shpauterik unailar. Kala Rakhe yu maumer ba arpusan. Hakajing ya lanti jungka ban penso thet ya kajing nang jing start seki samla pule kibana keleng kejela. Khamtam kibana kithain nong kondong bat kibawan na kilong yeng bakham duna kayo kakon. O Menteri Sarkar Barikmi yakatna tourism kejela uba met ba lingdo ulalong kongsan hakani kasngi. Ringkat kejingran lang UMLA kani kathan uba Charles Pongrop bat Dr. LS Gasa kibalalong kom kisambot kongsan. Bat laidon ringkat ru principal jong kani college uba AB Maukhiu. Uba SB kurba ubalong nong seng jong kani college ringkat bat kakurem jong u kilot UK Rakhe Jubili arpsan Snem. Hakani kejing Rakhe bala pensong konsusu yakani kejing Rakhe da kejing penberngya babonjat na kisamla puli jong kani college.
To mark this milestone, we are audience to an anniversary year that is deservedly characterized by a rich array of cultural traditions, a continuing dialogue of ideas, and the sheer diversity of articulate and eloquent voices that speak to one another through questions, creative tensions, collaborations, and also contradictions. I am certain that the lively intellectual exchanges that flourish here have been reflective of the learning leadership at this institution. May you keep on advancing from strength to strength. Education in the 21st century is being featured in challenge spaces that demand from all stakeholders a quartet of steering elements: vision, discipline, passion, and conscience. We need to provide diversified curriculums and multiple learning pathways so that our students of different aptitudes, abilities, and interests will be able to exploit their own potentials to the full. Education must become inclusive at all levels, blending disabilities and different abilities, whilst welcoming and embracing individuals from all contexts, with classes catalyzed by universal designs of learning. This is crucial and must be activated if we are to nourish and nurture our citizenry to emerge with winning outcomes. This means that not only should our institutions impel, inspire, and instruct our students to become future ready, but to do so with a civic sense that marries responsibility towards learning and towards a sustainable culture that sees all of us as stewards of societal harmony, planetary well-being, and economic prosperity. I would like to add here, my dear students, that we are living in a society that tends to forget the beauty of nature which we have been endowed with. We have seen that many countries in the world, and some places even in our own country, have banned the use of plastics. It will be my urgent appeal to the students of Morning Star College, its teachers and staff, to ensure that littering of plastics in and around the city and in the state as a whole can be reduced. It is with such a spirit of enterprise that I urge you to press on with your ventures and adventures in the crucial domain of education.
Today is the closing day of your celebration. The celebration with the reasons that your college was there for the last 25 years. That's why you call this celebration a Silver Jubilee celebration. The journey that you have come across all these 25 years, you only know what kind of journey you have gone through. Not me, not by chance, or nobody from outside your college. You only know. What kind of journey that you have gone through? Is it a painful journey? Or is it a very enjoyable journey? To me, today I would like to share with you that this is the kind of journey that we would like to be. Because after a lot of hurdles, after a lot of problems, after a lot of barriers that have come up in front of you in all these 25 years, you have achieved this day as a day of your 25 years journey. Today is the closing day, as I have said. Now for the last 1 month, you have really enjoyed. I'm sure all the students as well, because when I'm sitting there, I can just hear from the back only. You know, everybody is shouting, right? Are you there on the top shouting? Shouting a lot. Why are you shouting? Because you are enjoying. You are enjoying. If you don't enjoy, you will never shout. You are shouting because you enjoy it. Be it the song, be it the dance, be it whatever items that has been displayed today. You are enjoying, that's why you keep on shouting. Last 1 month, there are a lot of activities, I'm sure, that you have had, and you would have enjoyed that 1 month with you. I think from tomorrow onwards, it's back to business. Back to business, back to work, back to classroom, back to study, back to your books, back to your teachers, back to your whatever. So you are back to that. And in this, as I've said, today is a closing day. But let me tell you, especially the governing body, today is the beginning of another 25 years journey that you have to go through. You have to start from today. You have to start from today. This is the beginning of another 25 years journey that you have to go. Come what may, you have to call it, we have to achieve another 25 years. Then you will celebrate the golden jubilee. I know how many of us will still be there after 25 years. I hope all of us will be there, right? Maybe we'll have in a new campus, not in the same one. You know, we will be a bigger kind of, buildings or whatever. So this is the journey. I was very touched with the theme that you have put up here. From humble beginning to a brighter tomorrow. This is the theme that has been set by the scholars for the welfare and future or tomorrow of all the children, the students as well. I look forward to the brighter and growth of this college. 25 years, as I've said, have gone through, and I assure you on behalf of the government, Alfred, board and other faculties also, that in case of any help or support that you would like to have, if possible from the government, we would like to be there, as the government is really looking very seriously in the field of education, and I feel that this is the kind of hands that you have extended from your side, working together, and we can definitely work together to ensure that we achieve the goal for the day. Our father is education sponsor.
Gak kan si pen ken chai halari
It's a great pleasure for me to announce that the Silver Jubilee celebration of Morning Star College has come to a close.